What's going on, everybody? Wanted to go ahead and make a video on why I stopped making YouTube videos. And I kind of wanted to go over the history of the channel when I first started, up until the point where I took a break and kind of disappeared for a while, and talk about the present and as well as the future. Let me just get a cup of coffee here, get a sip. Of course, I'm drinking coffee, hot coffee, when it's 110 degrees outside, because what else would you drink on a hot day? But I just kind of want to go over the history. So I started making videos around, I believe, 2012, and basically I was watching videos like Nuttin' Fancy, Cutlery Lover, Equipped to Endure, all the really cool, great channels, and those aren't the only ones. There were a whole lot more. And I kind of got inspired. I got a little bit of the interest, the YouTube bug, to start making my own videos. I wanted to do some hiking stuff, some gear reviews of the stuff that I used, and just started getting inspired about making videos. And so that's what I started doing. Started pumping out videos and learning how to edit video and do reviews and things like that. Did some hiking trips, some camping trips. And I spent a lot of money doing it. You think that this YouTube stuff, you guys don't see behind the scenes, but I kind of got myself into a little bit of debt buying gear and doing things like that, which is what you don't want to do. But it was my hobby. I was interested in it, and it was fun. I got inspired to do that. At the time, I was just living with my folks at home. I was paying rent, but I just wasn't supporting a household by myself, so I had more money to be able to do that kind of stuff. So I did that for a while, and then around, I believe, somewhere around the end of 2014, I got my own place and I was supporting my own household. So some of the money that I had to be able to support all these hobbies was went from up here kind of down to way down here. And that's basically what happened. I still wanted to make videos, but I was finding myself just working a lot more, and I found it difficult to be able to support this YouTube hobby as much as I wanted to be able to go out and do the trips, gear reviews, and things like that. So I didn't lose interest in the type of videos that I make, but I just lost the ability to sustain it. And so that from that point, my motivation to do YouTube just kind of went down a little bit. And I just found myself, taking on second and third jobs, working side jobs, just to try and make ends meet, and just always stay ahead and try and get, debt cleared and get debt taken care of, and just kind of get my life on track as far as that goes. And that kind of puts you in not a downhill spiral. I mean, it's good to do that, but what it kind of does is if you take on a second job, it kind of limits your ability to be able to go out and do stuff. So for instance, if I wanted to go out and do a backpacking or a hiking trip, I'm always, on my computer, because my second job I was working from home, and I'm always trying to look for new work that's posted and take care of jobs, and just even on the weekends or when I'm off from my main job, it's just really difficult to be able to break free from that and find the ability to do that when you're kind of locked down. You have to be at your workstation or my home office to kind of just look for all the new work that's being posted, try and make as much money as possible so I can stay afloat. So that's kind of what I've been doing for the past couple years. I made a few videos here and there, but nothing really, the YouTube inspiration was at kind of a low point. I was trying to just spend my time basically trying to work and make money to live off of. So fast forward to around late 2017, I started getting the YouTube inspiration back a little bit, wanted to make some more videos. So I pumped out a few videos, and I was starting to get more into it. But unfortunately, I had a death in the family. One of my sisters did pass away. It was really difficult, and it took some time to grieve, some time to just reprioritize, rethink certain things in my life. And it's just something that happens, and I don't really know what to say other than it just takes some time to get back into the swing of things. So fast forward to now, and I'm starting to feel the YouTube inspiration coming back. I've got some video ideas, some things I want to talk about, some upcoming trips planned, and also, you know, the majority of the second job that I was doing has kind of come to an end, which it's bad, but it's also good in a way, because it gives me more time to do the things that I enjoy, like make YouTube videos, get back into the outdoor stuff, as well as the gear reviews and things like that I enjoy doing. So that's kind of where we're at right now. I'm planning out some videos to make and some upcoming trips, kind of trying to do it on a tight budget, but I really hope to make some things happen. You guys probably aren't going to see, you know, it's not going to be a whole lot of gear or gear reviews pumping out all the time, but give me 1 second here. But my goal is to do a couple solid reviews every month, like maybe like 2, somewhere around there. And I'm hoping to do a maybe 10 to 15 minute topic that I talk about with you guys, kind of like this, and do that maybe twice a month, once a week, something like that. And then hopefully like a backpacking or outdoor related adventure video, something like once a month. So that's kind of where I'm at. I'm not gonna, don't hold me to that schedule, but that's kind of what I'm thinking on where I'd like to go from here. Next up, I believe probably sometime this week, I'm working on a video review of this Phoenix LD15R flashlight. Really enjoying this light, so guys, look forward to that video coming up soon when I finish some testing with it and get some footage shot using it, and can get some time to do a review. So just kind of wanted to talk to you guys about why I stopped making YouTube videos. There's of course a lot more that goes into it besides what I mentioned, but that's kind of the gist of it. And I'm hoping to, like I said, start pumping out more videos, stuff that might help you guys, that might inspire you guys, and just some quality content. So I appreciate all you guys that stayed subscribed and continue to watch the channel, and I look forward to interacting with you guys in the future. So thanks for watching, thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Take care.